Hello, 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 hello. Randy Rain here, and welcome to my first unboxing video. Now, someone has donated a robot to me. Now, I can't tell you who it is because I'm pretty sure they fight crime on the weekends and their identity is a secret. So I can't tell you who it is, but thank you very much. And everybody who's been asking me about this robot, you're going to be excited about this as well. So, let's have a look at this. First of all, the box, and then we'll open it up. Came by UPS, and there's a big hole here. There's a big hole down here. Hopefully I don't have to call this number. But that looks like it's it. Everything else looks okay. I'm going to lay it down. Pull out my knife. And let's open this up. Now, this was dropped off at UPS. They packaged it and they shipped it, so everything is on them. Okay, first off, some bubble wrap, more bubble wrap, more here, here, more. Okay, I'm pretty sure it looks good. So, turn it back up, pull it out. Oops. Do you know what it is yet? I do. Well, there it is, an Omnibot 2000. It needs work, but it's actually in really good shape, believe it or not. Better shape than I thought it was going to be in. Really good shape, actually. Let's see, tape player. Oh, we even have a cassette tape inside here. Ah, here we go. This is what I was looking for. Get it out. How do they get this in here? Seriously? How do they get this in there? Seriously, how the hell did they get this in here? And they bent the antenna. Bastards. Well, there's repair job number one, I guess. battery tab. I don't know what that is. What's this? Battery tab. I'm not sure what that is. There he is, the Omnibot 2000 with remote. Again, this was donated to me, and the reason it was donated to me is because they want me to fix this up so that they can see how to fix theirs up. And a lot of people have contacted me asking about the rubber grips here and making those, and especially the tires. A lot of people have asked me about these tires down here. So I'm going to be doing a whole series of videos on this robot right here, and this will be completely restored. Now, if you'd like to help me do this, you can. I have a Patreon page. If you can follow the link below, and for as little as $2, you can help me do this. Alright? And you will get your name, like these people here. This was this month's people who are helping me out, my Patreons this month. If that's at $2 or more, you'll get your name here. If you throw a little bit more, I'll make you something and send it to you. You get a little bit more. I'll even build something special for you. You just want to help out, I'll give you a discount for my store, etc., etc. Follow the link below if you want to help me out. It's the Omnibot 2000 coming your way. That was
Randy's Robot Refurbish.